Next, halacha number 11. The commandments to wear tefillin of the shel yad and the shel rosh, two separate mitzvahs. As we said before, two separate. As you ask if you do one, not another. Okay, no problem. Two separate. And the fulfillment of one is not essential to fulfillment of the other. Thus, if he has only one of them, or due to some circumstances such as wound on his head or arm, he can put only one of them. He's obligated to put on the one that he can. I mean, it's straightforward. We ask this question, says Mishnah Brura. I mean, he has no choice. The person, like some injury got his injury in his head. I mean, what can he do? Right? We said there is no separation. We said even his hair, if it's long to hair, it's too long, it is separation. So needless to say, as for sure, if he has all of this plaster and some bandages, of course it is separation. So he cannot do that. So why he cannot do it? Because it is not on his head. It's somewhere else, but not on his head. Okay, so continue. In a case that one is putting on only shel yad, he's to recite only the blessing, the chaniach tefillin. So only one blessing, as we understand. In this case, he's in the case that he is putting only shel rosh, the tefillin. He is to recite on shel rosh the chaniach tefillin, and the blessing al mitzvah tefillin. And okay, after which he should say Baruch Shem Kvot Malchuso Le'olam Va'ed. Okay, so which means blessed is the name of the glorious King from all eternity. Commentary. See if this if is related to the custom of Ashkenazim. Okay, that's what we do. So we say blessed is his name of glorious kingdom for all eternity, always. When we say that the blessing on Shal Yad, always we say it. Okay.